世界。
你叫什么3？
拿502。
给他用塑胶剂。
没开始呢，来吧。有用啊，完全挡住了。好像今天几点了？几分了？我让我的粉丝见一见我呀！看直播的都是我的粉丝。啊？谁说的？应该不是我吧？他们怎么这么无语我？他们在讽刺我吧？在讽刺我吧？我没有粉丝。真假？你可让电脑别灭哈，这是你的任务。
我去正常的稍微敲敲。
我已把我的文档关上了呢。Hello guys, welcome back to Gweike channel. My name is Luana. Welcome to today's live streaming. And hey guys, thank you for joining me today because it's been a while since we have our last live stream because we recently moved into a new office. We're now in a brand new building and I'm so excited to show you that our new live streaming studio, which you can see at the background, it's like designed honeycomb shaped petal actually. That was a little designed to, in order to highlight some of our products, and it's white tone, and we really like it. Have a lot of lights going on in order to bring some, like a change into the live streaming. And I also want to thank you, some our supporters of Gweike, and thank you for being with us throughout the journey. And with our moving into the new studio, that we have some of the new release as well. as you can see on our like a home website, there's a lot of like new release like G1, J2, stuff like that. And today, as you can see right now, right on top of my desk, we are going to talk about some of the new release. Today, we're going to talk about G1 diode laser. I'm sure many of you guys are interested in this machine. We've been getting a lot of feedbacks about it, and today we're going to show its overall performance. And before let's dive into it, and today we have special offer. So this machine originally price is $599, but this time for the first 100 orders, you can get this machine only for $399. Its original price is $599. And during the live streaming for the first 100 orders, you can get the G1 only with $399. Plus than this, the honeycomb panel underneath of the G1 machine in order to protect the surface is now on our home website and Amazon shop for only just $99. And for the first 50 orders, you can get $15 off for your honeycomb bed purchase. On Amazon shop, on our home website, you can get a 15% off of this 99 honeycomb panel, which I will introduce you guys later on because it's kind of essential. And during this live streaming, we're also going to have one lucky bird to win a free G1 machine. You can get this G1 machine for free, just like stay tuned. Okay, first thing first, let's head over to our home website to see what G1 actually is. Now I'm going to head over our GV Cloud website and click laser cutter and click G1 diode laser. Right here, you enter the phrase of this like G1 and everything about this is G1. So first of all, you can see the price range is $599, but for this time, first 100 orders, you can get this machine only with $399. Guys, if you're interested, this is a chance that you can win a very cheap diode laser. There's no way you can find it this much cheap and good quality in the market right now. Okay, so it's GV Cloud G1 10 wattage laser cutter and engraver. Let's scrolling down to know more about it. So you guys, this G1, it just only came with the machine, and if you want other protection and accessories, such as protection goggles, Rotary, and honeycomb bed, you have to purchase them like separately. Okay, let's scrolling down. So the special point about GV Cloud G1's 10 wattage laser cutter is it's a collection with the Lightburn software. So it's kind of crucial because 90% of our users are using Lightburn to do their work. And it's very essential to have this access to many of the photos and DIY works as possible. So as not to limit your creativity. And let's scrolling down. As you can see, Lightburn plus GV Cloud G1. And we come to the most important feature ever, the speed. So let me give you a little bit of background about GV Cloud as GV brand. Is that we have over 9 years of industrial laser manufacturing experience. So for GV Cloud series, we're trying to bring industrial laser into the household. That means everything standard, everything, it'll fit the industrial level. What's the most important things for industrial laser like level kind of a machine? Speed. Speed is number one. The power is number two. So we always remember the speed is everything because we have to speed it up to finish everything in this very quick paced society. So G1's speed is 400 millimeter per second. As we see in the little video, in this little shot, we can see G1 speed is like way much faster than the others on the current market. Let's see the parameters. So G1 only use 10 minutes to finish this engraving, while others use 10 minutes. and the material is all like the same, the base wood, and the power is 50%, and the speed G1 is about 400 millimeter per second, where others on the current market one is about 300 millimeter per second. Speed, guys, speed is most important stuff. And then the second one, also important for the industrial laser, is the accuracy. Accuracy is everything. Accuracy says a lot about how this module being composed and how this material and how this like technology being devoted into this machine. So accuracy, it is important. Our accuracy reaches 0.01 millimeter precision. And came to this part, I feel like it's mixed feeling for me, because when we purchase laser cutter, we have various choices on the market, like 60 wattage, 7100, maybe like 40 like laser diode laser module. It's like everything on the internet. But the most important things they neglect to state is output power. So your laser could be 20 wattage input, but barely get 10 wattage output. That's the point I want to move forward. It doesn't really matter how much like modules like 5 wattage or 10 wattage that you put into a laser module. What's important is what you can get out of it. Is that 10 wattage output or just only 5 wattage output? That you don't know this, but G1 got 10 wattage output power, so can cut thicker material. We have two examples, which is 10 millimeter base wood and the 5 millimeter black acrylic, which we will testing in this live streaming soon enough. Okay, let's move to the next part, is simple industrial structure. So the structure of G1 is all metals, as you can see, and interior it's like clean, neat, organized. It's very simple to set up, and as you can see, it's industrial structure. And here come to the most important features. Last of the diode laser on the market will address that, is the air assist. So no matter when, where, how you purchase G1, you will get air assist for free. This air assist module is built in the G1, so you don't have to pay extra to get an air assist. Air assist is very important once you're engraving. You want to get deeper into the material. You want to engrave something. You want a clean cut, neat edges, beautiful edges. You need air assistant. And here is a little video to show how this air assistant is going to work, how this is going to, affect the cuttings and everything. So you can see the air assistant driver inside and trying to pull out while your G1 is working. Okay, on to the next part is Gweike Cloud plus safety. Safety is very important. Gweike Cloud fit the FDA regulation. Every product of Gweike Cloud fits the regulation of FDA and SAE. That is 100% laser product. That's first. Second, this laser product is safety to use. Third, it passed their regulation, and as like paperwork or actual texting about it, it's 100% safety laser module. So you guys could just like, this is the best chance for you to detect it, whether a company is really dedicating to do the laser work or not. If it is not fit the FDI like regulation, that means it's not laser product, or they're trying to hide to make it less laserable so they can get into the market. So guys, you can check their website or whatever on the market to see whether they face the CE or FD. It's very important. You're not going to joke with your life, isn't it? And then there are other accessories that you can purchase separately, which the first one is radiation-proof goggles. Guys, this is important. I think no matter like you want to get it on our website, fine. You want to get it elsewhere, fine. But this is like necessary. Unlike CO2 laser, so the light emit during the laser cutting for diode laser, your eyes might getting hurt or damaged a little bit. So I think it's very important to have this like radiation-proof goggle, not just light-proof, but radiation-proof. Laser have wavelengths, guys. And then the emergency stop button on the front beam, you can see that. And we also came with a focus block, which will help you adjust the focus like length and everything. And then we have the razors that also came with the machine. It's one set. For each set, you're going to have 3 components together in order to cut more higher project or thicker object. For rotary attachment, we do have this as a separate part. You can purchase separately for cylinder and sphere object engraving for pencils or your Yeti cup. You can use the rotation. And down there, what Jivan could do, don't get confused about the project that we can do all the material included. I give you guys some examples. Plywood, acrylic, paper, leather, rug, coating metal. There are some examples down there about laser working, like wood, etc. I think this is a bear opener. It's very cute. Some other works. Now came to the submarine. Let me get you guys again to some of the really important feature about the G-band. Okay, first of all, it's a 10 wattage right here. Laser module output power is 10 wattage. Machine, the overall machine power is 120 wattage, and the laser wavelength is about 450 nm, and the laser spot is 0.08 plus 0.06 millimeter. And the overall machine size is about 613 plus 519 plus 160 millimeter. And our machine is also the lightweighted machine. It just only takes about 6.6 kg. Engraving range, this is also important. Like you're not gonna just suspend, you're not gonna just like want to get the overall machine size, but not care about the actual working area. So the actual working area is about 400 plus 400 millimeter. And engraving accuracy is about 0.01 millimeter. Engraving speed, as I mentioned, as I addressed before, is about 400 millimeter per second. It's connected by via USB, and down there is port file format, and then it supports system like computer like Windows, iOS, etc. And you have our Lightburn control software. The input power is 100 wattage. And there are some material cuts. If you're new to this and you're interested to our like diode laser, you can click there and try to get the first-hand information. How this is gonna like, for example, 3mm base wood, how many pass, how many power, how many speed. This is kind of crucial because as the experience of selling the CO2 laser, we often get some feedback that people have no idea. Like they're trying, but they still have no idea how this parameter has been set. So we highly recommend, as you see that, we highly recommend you get this kind of a testing board that are on my hand right now. I don't know if you can see that. Yeah, the testing board will show everything. Like you want, like how much like deeper you want this engraving goes, and how much smaller you want this cut goes, and all those parameters will just help you have an idea. So whenever you're trying to do a DIY works, you can look at this or slightly adjust it. It's all about the testing, you know. It's all about the testing along the way. We also have very helpful FB Facebook group that people share their experience and share their like parameters. You can try it on. Okay. And right next to it is material engraves, like for the engraving, like how much deeper you want it, and the speed and power. We got a lot of things down there, like MDF, rubber, leather, belt fabric, cherry wood, and other like pine wood, all like kinds of it. It's been tested by our engineers, so it's reliable, and you guys can always have a look about it. Okay, let's scrolling down. Don't forget, people, you can get this machine originally priced at $599, but today, for the first 100 orders, you can get it only $399, and you can get the Honeycomb panel that are on our Amazon shop, $99 with $15 off. And that's what's on the pages, but right now I'm going to walk you guys through some of the highlights about this machine, like in case that you have a idea that you wanted to buy this and devote it into your laser business or doing something, doing some DIY works. So First of all, speed. As I mentioned, one of these important feature both for household laser cutter and industrial laser cutter, speed. Speed, our G1 speed is about 400 millimeter per second. And the second biggest important thing is accuracy. So you don't want your picture to look like something weird. So accuracy is super important as well. It's 0.01. And then the output power, most important thing as well, is about 10 wattage output power, and it's Lightburn compatible. It has like rotary attachment if you want it, if you feel like you need it. You kind of have to buy this separately. And it's very easy to focus because we have the focus block, which is like this. Let me show you. Just like this to help you to get easier to connect with the focus point and everything. It's very helpful. Though it came with the machine, so don't worry. Okay. It's very easy to focus with the help of it. And the safety design, the emergency spot button right here, safety design. And the razors, of course, that came with the machine to lift the overall machine up to help you getting more access to much thicker and higher material. And material support, like we can handle a lot of material, coating metals and wood, acrylic, leather. It also has a longer lifespan and a smaller size, like not big of the size, is about around about 600 millimeter plastics and 100 kind of a thing. And it's very lightweighted. Its overall weight is 6.6 kg. And don't forget, guys, now the price is $599, but now you can get it with $399 with the first 100 orders. And don't forget, if you need the Honeycomb pedal, you can head over to our website or Amazon shop to get $99 Honeycomb pedal with $15 off for the first 50 orders. And the Honeycomb panels, later on I will introduce, is about angle protections +4 and some pins +8, aluminum bottoms, and even a piece of plywood. Okay, let's take a look at this machine to like getting a better idea how this highlight is going to work. So can we get a little, okay, right here. So this G1 laser cutter diode laser boosts a higher laser power and a faster engraving like speed, providing an efficiency and accuracy result. It's very portable. It's like you can grab it and then go. It's portable, it's strong and simple installation structure because it's simple, like beam, lines, sun, laser head, and make it like very easy to put it together and easy to use and transport. And this diode laser supports materials of different height, make it versatile for various applications. It's very like it has a really long lifespan. Device is very reliable investment if you want to start a small business because it's cheap, it's portable, and it's very like usable, especially when you get a machine like this. And this G1 diode laser featured an extensible rotation shaft, which is rotary, and razors and dust cover to add like convenience and flexibility. So the ducts cover all these like accessories. You can get it elsewhere. You can get it on our home side pages. Additionally, the G1 is equipped with a stronger laser module featured double compressed point coupling technology. So the laser power output is 10 watt. And G1 also offers a comprehensive security measures, including tilt stop. What is tilt stop? It's when you lift machine like this, it'll stop automatically to keep you safe. That's tilt stop. Emergency stop button, a limit alarm, and eye protection. And the G1 design is highly professional, featuring laser power, double synchronous belt, and appropriate build gear mesh for more accurate movement. And we also utilize an optical axis groove wheel type high-speed realm linear motion for fast and steady motion. And G1 is capable of processing a variety of materials of a different thickness and type. Additionally, we offer multiple functions to assist with the work such as a focus lens and adjustment and boundary preview. Okay, these are the parameters for you guys for to choose on if you're really interested in that. And now I'm going to show you the actual machine and some of the function and accessories you will get once you receive the machine. Let's head over right here. Okay, once you receive the machine, this is probably the things you're gonna receive, but not the lines that are inside the beams, because it's like, I didn't take it out, otherwise it will be like too much. So you're gonna get the front beam, which has like an emergency stop button right here, and then you're gonna get the back side. So the material that this is aluminum alloy. It's like a metal texture, so it's really like really good quality and has really metal color, as you can see. Can you hear it? That's the sounds only metal can sound. And then you got like left or right beam like this. You got lines inside of it. We already broken one of it, so you can get it together anytime. And this is probably the left. And you can see the liner and brief and gear and everything in it. So beautiful. And then you're also gonna receive these razors. It's one set. For each set you have like 3 components together. It's also the metal texture. When it's metal, it's kind of a cold and smooth. It feels like a iPhone background. And then you're gonna have this like belt as well. It's some axis. I don't know where I put it, but it's within the machine. And most important, laser head with ear assistant. See that? This is the laser module. It's really lightweighted because it's only 10 watt. I don't really know. It's really lightweighted. That's our laser head. And if you want to purchase this accessories like separately, it's also fine, which is radiation-proof goggles. Let me say this, it's really expensive even here when you purchase from China, because it's radiation proof. It's not just like any glasses with a color. Like, it's very important and its effect is really good. I'm gonna try it on you guys. This gargle, can you see this gargle? Yeah, it's really good. It's really good. I highly recommend these whenever you're starting like working on your lasers. It's kind of essential because now I feel like it's in different word, but it protects my eyes or whatever. That's my regular glasses. Okay, I'm putting it. It also came with a box, so you can find it everywhere. I'm not gonna just throw it away because it's expensive. And the next is Rotary attachment. It's really small, but it's really powerful. You can engrave like cylinder objects, you can engrave like sphere objects, and with it, though you have to purchase separately, but it's worth it. It's metal. And then you're also gonna have small packages like these. You have all the tools that you can put like machine together. You have all the belts. You have all these like fixed stuff, screws, wrench, and everything. It also came with the machine, so you don't have to buy it elsewhere. Other than this, you're also gonna have the screws, exactly amount of screws for putting on the machine, to fix the machine, to put them together. Okay, you also have these blocks right here to help you adjust the focal lengths. The black focus block, the stick block. Okay. Then I'm going to introduce you about the Honeycomb bed that we are now having on our home website and Amazon. With $99, you can get $15 off for the first of 50 orders. Okay, let's take it out of it. First, you're going to get a plywood whenever you're purchasing our Honeycomb panel. In order to help you test out, you're going to test out first how is efficiency and consider as a gift. I don't really know. And then you get our Honeycomb bed. Background is the aluminum bottom. So let me talk about the Honeycomb bed. It has inches, like you can just like look at this. If your material is within it, you can look at it. It's like indicator, like inch indicator right there. And for Honeycomb bed, it just like it calls Honeycomb bed because it designed a honeycomb pattern. So each of the interval in our Honeycomb bed is 5.5 millimeter. Where you investing in the market, you could see they're like other honeycomb like interval will reach probably 8 to 9 millimeter. It's loosened, so it cannot be able to hold all the cutting width and dust, sometimes possibly smoke. So the really close interval really helps. Our interval is about 5.5 millimeter. You can zoom in to see how close they connect to each other to help you hold all this cutting width. And the aluminum bottom of the back is metal in order to help you prevent overcut on your favorite desk, on your wooden structure, on everything that you do not want to damage when using diode laser. Diode laser is kind of open. Everywhere is open. You can get a hurt like from directly at the top of the smoke, and you can get hurt down there by engraving too much. But this also came with aluminum like metal, really thick panel. See that? It's really thick. And you're also gonna have these. Let me switch it. You're also gonna have some angle protector like this. This is trying to protect the angle of the honeycomb panel, so avoid some like damage because it's so sharp underneath of it. And you're gonna have this pin as well to fix the material whenever you want to do the engraving or cutting, etc. Guys, don't forget it's $99, and then you're gonna have a $15 off for the first 50 orders, and you're gonna get this plywood as well. Go head over check like on our Amazon shop and as well as our homepage. And after finishing these, I'm going to talk about some feature and buttons about the machine. After that section, we're going to have the lucky bird to win a free G1. So guys, stay tuned. You are almost there. We've been collecting a lot of emails, and today we're going to finally tell who is the lucky bird. Okay, let me give you a brief introduce. First of all, this is all the beam, like front beam, back, left, right beams are made of aluminum alloy. So it's like a metal structure. And then you have the laser head right here. And this is the indicator light. I'm going to point it out so you can see better with this. This right there is indicator light. Indicator light right here. See that? That's the indicator light. And this is the laser head. And this is the jet nozzle, and along with the smoke venting and air assistance along the way. Air assistant along this tube. Very good, very good. And US interferer, you will not be able to see it, but I will point out in this module right here. So you will have the USB interferer along with the power interferer right here. It's on the left side of this machine, and USB and the power interferer. And then you're going to have power switch at there right here because it's over there, so it's really hard for you to say. So I'm going to just point it right here. It's on this side of the machine for the power switch, USB interferer, and power interferer. And then you're going to have emergency bottom right here and expand the shaft connectors as well. And all these like lines and gears inside of the machine, every beam you have that. So this beam is very important. It's this beam. This is the speed like guarantee. It's also made of a metal, and it's very responsible and very fast. And all the beams or everything, all the access and laser head and manual power adapter, power cord is within the USB cable within, motor connector within, tweezers is outside, and tweezers right here. This is the tweezers. This is tweezers right here. As you can see, we didn't put it all like that, but if you engraving higher objects, you're gonna need it. Okay, let's head over to the lucky bird to see who is going to win a free G1 machine. Okay, I already turned all the emails into this like big well. big wheel right here. It's incredible, guys. You're gonna be so confused about this. I don't want you to confuse you, but it's about 230 over 240 people that are in this boat. It looks like a very bizarre moment, but thank you for joining this like 3-step to win this laser cutter G1. I'm really appreciate it. So as long as I press that, as I clink that, it'll start to like moving around, and then when it stops, we're going to have this lucky bird. So the email will be released, and whoever holds this email, contact our staff via via Facebook, via emails. Like you can connect with us to get this free G1 machine. So I'm gonna get started. I'm gonna clink it. I'm gonna clink. 3, 2, 1, go. Okay, I'm gonna stop it, guys. It automatically stopped. Oh, that's how it's gonna work. Okay, who is it? Hold on, hold on. Oh, it's like a RAFF and hotmail.it. You win this free G1 machine. I don't know if you're right here, but you win the G1. Please contact our staff to get this, like connect with us to get the G1. Thank you and congratulations. It's really good. Remember this email. Like, is that yours? Like, look at this, guys. If it is yours, connect with us as soon as possible. It's RAFF and then ended it with hotmail.it.com and not.com. Okay, thank you and congratulations for winning the G1 machine. You get the first one to win this one, and you get the you're the first one to try it out and welcome any feedbacks. But for the people who are already interested in our G1, don't get frustrated because the original price is $599. Today, you're going to get only with $399 within 100 orders. So go check it out. And don't forget the honeycomb pedal. Honeycomb pedal and the protection and the rotary shaft. These are the things not within the package. If you're interested in it, you have to purchase separately. And we're going to put the G1 into the practice. I'm going to test out the limit cut and engraving efforts. So today we have 2 materials that are on our website. We tested before is a wood, which is 10 millimeters thick, and a black acrylic 5 millimeters thick. We're going to test out whether it will cut efficiently. So I'm going to start with the woods. Okay, I'm gonna. Okay, it's about 10.02, something like that, millimeters thick, and we're going to cut it to see whether it will cut through with only 1 pass. Okay, we'll place it right here, and we're gonna use some help from our engineers to set up the parameters. And don't forget to use the focus block, which is essential if you want to cut it. Okay, it's about 10 millimeters thick of wood. We're going to try it out first. We're using the Lightburn, which you can see the operation section that are on the screen. If you're not familiar with that, you can have a look. And Ji-Wang is one of our greatest engineer ever. So he is responsible for this parameter setting. And thank you so much. Okay, getting started. We'll get a frame overall. Okay. You don't want that someone like goggles, radiation-proof goggles, or avoid eye contact with the laser head. If you have any questions, feel free to drop a comment on there as well. Hi, everybody. Hi, Robbie. Hi, everybody. Philip. Doesn't look like they're in the EU warehouse option. We will on the EU as soon as possible because now it's like the pre-selling stuff. Thank you, Mitch. Thank you, Chandler, for supporting any company that takes business away from X tool. So, okay, done. You need exposure. I highly recommend. Okay, clean cut. It's right. 10 millimeter thick wood, clear cut. Clear cut, guys. Clear cut. See that? I'm not even lying. Like, how can I? Clear cut, 10 millimeter thick. Okay, move to the next. Is 5 millimeter thick acrylic. Okay. 5 millimeter thick acrylic. Okay, put it in here. Okay, we're going to get started. Okay, use the block, focus block to adjust the focusing. Okay, done. If you guys have any questions, feel free to drop a comment down below. Hello, Jenny. Thank you. Hello, 蔡文许. Oh, Kyle Zhao is in the live streaming studio. Hi, Kyle Zhao. Hello, everybody. Well, thank you, Andrew. Finer mesh, finer focus. Okay. Okay, done. Was already been cut. Let me show you. I don't even have to. No, I moved it. And this is 5 millimeter thick acrylic. We did clear cut. 5 millimeters acrylic was a clear cut. Great. Now we're going to step into the engraving to test out the oversaw.com. We're going to engrave a people's image. I'm going to put it right here to test out its engraving effects. And feel free to drop a comment if you have any questions about the machine and the honeycomb panel. Don't forget you can get a $50 off for the honeycomb bed. The honeycomb bed is worth $99. And it also came with the panes and with aluminum bottoms with a plywood and with the protection, like angle protector. Okay. Because framing the position where you want to do the engraving. Okay, very cool. It started doing it. If you have any questions, like feel free to drop a comment. Guys, don't flatter me with like super mysterious questions that I never have a chance to answer it. Guys, please. Okay, so if you want to get it, don't forget the price. Or originally priced at $599. Now you can get it only with $399 for the first 100 orders. For honeycomb bed, you can get $15 off a $99 honeycomb paddle with the first 50 orders as well. And don't forget that Lucky Bird to contact us to get a free Jiva machine. Hello, Robert Cohen. Hello there. It's been a while. Robert Cohen is one of my favorite YouTubers at all time. He's a really good person. He's really like fair about the video he's doing. I'm really proud of him actually. Hello, Cohen. It's nice to meet you. Hello, MB. Hello, Jay. If you have any questions, feel free to drop a comment down there. Hello, MB. Nice to meet you. Vivian, please. Okay, please. G1 is on the G2 is on the way. Okay, G2 is on the way. It will come later today. It will not like just like be silent. G2 is coming the way. Okay. Thank you for sharing attention on that. Thank you so much. Don't forget to grab it only at the price of $399. Its original price $599 for the first 100 orders. And don't forget to have a look at the honeycomb paddle because when you're engraving, for example, you're doing the work, you might damage or overcut your favorite table. So be careful. If you want to purchase these accessories along with the machine, you can head over to our Amazon shop in our homepage. So we're doing the engraving test right now to see the like performance on engraving, as we already tested the cutting. Feel free to drop a comment down there. Is here the price of G1? Oh, the price of G2 will be on the market soon. We'll be there soon, G2 Live. Look, guys, if you have any questions, feel free to drop a comment down there. G2 is on the way, don't worry, but probably G2 will be on the page with all this information on 9th of May. Okay, it's halfway there. So we are engraving a person's image. Don't forget to check the honeycomb petals that are on the Amazon shop. You can get $50 off for the first 50 orders. Only with $99. Okay. 1/3 finished. Great job for coming, guys. Don't forget you can get it today with only $399 for the first 100 orders. For honeycomb bed, you can have $15 off. It will take some time, so if you guys have any questions, feel free to drop a comment. Okay, almost there. There are also some amazing DIY works. We use G1 to do it on the website. You guys can check it out. Halfway there, or be able to see the images soon enough. Okay, it went so smoothly. It's about 10 minutes to finish. Don't forget to have a look at our website. Next time, live, we're going to have more like to give away, guys. can get it only $399 today. Would be interested in that too. 500 off or so would be amazing. Oh, any special coming for Cloud Pro 2? Ah, CO2 laser. 500 off. You're dreaming. Oh, we have the Earth Day activities. You can take a look at these. I think we have some special offers up to like $600. You can have a look at that on the Earth Day. And you can also free razors as well. On the Earth Day, we have special offers on CO2 lasers, save up to $600. You guys can have a look at it. If you're interested in a diode laser, you now can get a discount. Only with $399, you can get a diode laser. Guys, like on the market, free to go. Like any diode laser that $399, that's a really good deal. Don't forget, our Honeycomb bed also have special offer with $15 off a $99 Honeycomb panel. It do came with a Honeycomb panel and aluminum bottoms, a plywood, 8 pins, and also angle protectors as well. We're halfway there, about 10 minutes. We're good to go. Thank you for joining this live streaming as well. Thank you, guys. We have G2 come to the way soon enough. Everything just carried out smoothly. I really like the effects. I can even see the reflection from the clothes, you know, the engraving efforts. I really like that. I don't know if you guys can see that. Okay, we're almost there, guys. Don't forget you can get only the G1 with $399. Its original price is $599. And if you need honeycomb panel, we also have $15 off a 99 USD honeycomb bed, and along with the aluminum bottom, plywood top, angle protectors, and paints plus 8. For people purchasing the G1, we do have razors and air assist that came with that. You also can buy the radio-proof gargles and rotaries separately, and we do have enclosures. So stay tuned, guys. Next time we'll give away something that interesting to you guys for the next time live streaming. We're also going to introduce some information about the G2 machine that you're looking for. It's a 20 wattage fiber laser. And if you have any question or confused about this G1 machine, you can leave a comment down there. We will have happy to answer you. Don't forget our G1 diode laser came with a air assisted. You guys know how much expensive air assist like if you buy this separately, right? We came with the air assist, so don't worry about air assist. Our G1 can handle a lot of like variety of materials like wood, leather, paper, coating metals, a lot of that we can cut through 10 millimeters wood and 5 millimeters black acrylic at one pass, clear edges. We are almost done. The person we're engraving, hopefully they don't find him for copyright, but it's Monroe, one of my favorite actors at all time. We're almost to finish. Maybe another 5 minutes will be fine, or less than 5 minutes. So we'll be able to test out its engraving effect. The price of the G1 is $399 with air assist, guys, with razors, with block, like focus blocks. Where the honeycomb bed came with a plywood and aluminum bottom, 8 pins and angle protectors to avoid overcut and can hold the cutting width and probably prevent some smoke like going like every direction. Okay, we're almost there. We almost finished the face. Left to the here. It went out so smooth. It carried us so good. Can you guys see the reflection of the clothes? I will give you guys a closer look later on. We'll be done just in minutes. All the separate accessories, just like radiation cargos, rotary, and enclosure, will be on the market as soon as possible. Because I figured out you guys really need a radiation-proof gargles and enclosure for better venting and less damage at the eyes. Okay, we're about to finish. It's so good. Everything's super good. So the board we're using for the engraving is MDF. MDF give a better natural tone whenever you're engraving a person or like a personal effect, like images. You will like to get a better like skin tone. MDF could help you with that a lot compared to the other tone of wood, lighter or the darker one. For the first 100 order, guys, don't forget you can get J1 only with $399. Okay, we'll finish soon. We're adjusting the hairs. Okay, 30 seconds. 30 seconds will be done. Okay, soon we'll be done. Okay. Okay. I didn't see a lot of smoke, but I think enclosure are pretty crucial for you guys. I think you need it. We'll be on the market soon. I really think you guys need it. It's unlike the CO2 laser. There's no venting and protection at all. But we'll be there on the market soon enough, guys. Stay tuned. Okay, within 30 seconds. Thank you guys for hanging there. I'm really appreciate it. And I will bring as much gift, as much giveaway the next time live streaming. And I will introduce some of the G2 as well. Okay, done. Fast. It's about 20 minutes or less than 20 minutes. Okay, let's see. Let me see if we're... Okay, you could see the reflection of the clothes, right? I will give you guys a closer look of the image. It's the light, but can you see the reflection that are on the clothes and the skin tone and the facial structure and the details? The nails, the fingers. MDF really give very good effect. So as our G1, engraving effect proof, because the picture wasn't that clear. Do you understand? It wasn't like 21st century photo, but it's so detailed. You can look at the picture right there. It's very small. It's very small. You can see the clothes reflection on the final look, and it's like 100%. If you guys are looking for in high power, quick speed, and high accuracy, G1 is totally the machine. G1 is totally the machine. At a speed of 400 millimeters per second, at accuracy of 0.01. That is your machine, guys. That is really your machine. Don't forget, for today's purchasing, you can get the machine only with $399. Its original price is $599 for the first 100 orders, and you also can get a honeycomb pedal, which is $99. You can get a 50 USD off for the first 50 orders. Okay, guys, this is like so unbelievable that we have achieved like this much effect on this J1. Don't forget to get some like special offer today with 100 order, first 100 orders, and the next time I will come back for more giveaways, more details about this machine, as well as the 20 wattage fiber laser J2. So thank you guys for joining me today. For this lucky bird to connect with our stuff like via everywhere that you can. And I will see you guys next time. And please share this video and give a big thumbs up. I will see you guys next time.